Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. So y'all might realize by the title, I don't know if y'all are used to this, but a long time ago we used to do sneaker customs. Lately I've been having a knack for them. You know what I mean? I don't know what knack is. Shit. My balls have been itching to do another one. I don't know. If you guys watched the last video, I bought a pair of YEEZYs. Zoom in over there, cameraman. They're right on the table over there. Bought a pair, turned out to be fake. I thought, you know what, let's do a custom on them, like old times, and make them real dope and just have fun and, you know, smoke my vape. Sorry, man, I just rewatched that clip, and it's kind of awkward. I'm not used to actually talking in front of a camera with somebody holding it. I'm usually by myself, but as you guys can tell, because when I move, it moves. We actually have a new cameraman today, which is kind of crazy. You guys know Ian left, cameraman Ian left a month, maybe a month and a half ago. Since then, I've been doing it all on my own, which has been cool. It's been really dope, but I've also been kind of, you know, like thinking about the idea of maybe getting a cameraman for certain videos. I kind of like doing it on my own, but for videos like this where we're gonna customize things, I want you guys to like really see the whole situation. I thought I'd get a new one, you know? I want cameramen for this. So I got this guy, actually found him online yesterday, asked if he could film a video. He's actually a photographer. I've seen a lot of his stuff. I don't know if he wants his Instagram. Another thing, he doesn't want to talk nor be seen on this video. So that's why he won't be talking. I guess are you professional? Is that why? He's nodding right now. It's because he's I don't know why. We just met like 10 minutes ago before we started filming. Do you want a tour of the house, by the way? I think that'd be fun for the video. Yeah? Okay, let's give him, alright, we're giving the new cameraman, we're just gonna vlog this one. It's kind of weird. Sorry if I'm awkward, dude, but, so this is my house. I've already showed him pretty much what we're doing. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, you know what we're doing. It's the kitchen, my guy. Don't show our product yet. I haven't shown that. Thank you, though. Over here's our cupboard. Leave comments down below. I don't know if you guys want cameraman. This is my bathroom. Over here. This is my unboxing. Oh, shoot, actually. Bedroom, and then film station. Man, so it's kind of messy in there, but it is what it is. Anyway, you guys let me know if you guys think this. Sorry, this is really funny to me. You guys know I do things for memes. We hit it off, like I said, we met for about 10 minutes, but I thought it'd be fun to just find some random guy to film. However, I didn't know you wouldn't be talking for this, but that's cool. We'll make it happen. Anyway, man. This is such an awkward situation. You'll only talk to me when the camera's off, and I think it's hilarious. So anyway, guys, a long time ago, we actually used to do a lot of sneaker customs, and I really loved them. That's actually what kind of blew me up on YouTube. Now, I quit those about a year ago because it was kind of getting old. I was getting bored of it, and honestly, I don't care too much about shoes. Now, when I talk about shoes, we're talking like YEEZYs, expensive ones, stuff like that, which is also why I grew on YouTube by destroying them, because I really don't care about these objects, because everyone seems to care. Oh, YEEZYs, da 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 da, they're worth a lot of money. He's laughing at me. Why are you laughing? Can you not talk at all? I don't. Okay, so sorry, this video is gonna be really weird, guys. I'm doing this for the comedic effect. I'm sorry, bro. If you want to come back, you can. You guys let me know. First off, actually, down below, do you dig the new cameraman? Here's the thing. I'm not really used to not talking to my cameraman. I've only had cameramen that I could talk to in the past, so this being just a cameraman that follows me around, it's a little weird, and I think it's hilarious. Anyway, like I was saying, he used to do a lot of sneaker customs. I thought we'd do another one today, because if you guys didn't watch the last video we did, we actually bought these YEEZY, I think they're called the blue clouds or the white clouds or something like that, something cloud, online off Instagram ads. If you guys didn't check out the video, it's pretty good, but we found out they're fake. Now, fortunately enough, I'm a freaking genius, and I hit up the company because they actually said that they were supposed to be real, which I pretty much knew they weren't. They were $40. Hit them up, got my money back, and I said I refuse to send them back to you so you can scam more kids. So today, man, I thought we'd bring back kind of a custom I did in the past only one time and do it on these things, you know what I mean? Like, they're just sitting here and I missed those old days. Today, boys, we're taking these shoes, we're pouring Pepto Bismol on them because I think it might turn out kind of dope. I want to see a pink and blue shoe put together. I think that's fun. I think that's funny. And I just like to destroy things that people have a lot of value over, you know, even though these are fake. Generally, I like to do them on real ones, but these are the ones here. Anyway, I'm destroying your favorite shoe, kids, and I think it's funny. First step, if you're following, kids, if you actually want to do this, grab your Pepto Bismol, grab your cameraman that won't talk. He does talk off camera. And you want to grab that for me? And then go outside, or pour it in your mom's bed. I don't care. If she's hot though, you know, maybe don't do that, because then she'll be like, oh, Bran told you to do that? Now I can't, you know. Have you met my dog yet? Yeah? Okay. Oh no, she's not out here anyway. Alright, man. Boys, I know this seems kind of rushed, but he's got to go and we're going to talk about something after. Just wait till the end of the video, trust me. Now just take your Pepto Bismol and pour it on the shoe is pretty much what we're going to do. Stupid video? Absolutely. Cool idea? Maybe. Depends how they turn out. Boom! When I did the boom there, I'm pouring it on the shoes right now. That's about, he's laughing. This guy thinks I'm nuts. I'm paying him though, kids. So it started to pour rain while we were out there, so now we gotta do it in the tub. Hopefully it doesn't clog the drain, but obviously what we're doing, boys, we're just pouring Pepto all over the shoe. Now you guys might be like, oh, why do that on the shoe? Da -da -da -da. It looks sick. Continue pouring all over, and then what you're gonna wanna do is just spread it all in. Just like this, make sure every part, and I'm professional at this, I've been here, done that before, and I'm so glad to be back. This was really fun to me, and you're looking at me like I'm an idiot. Anyway, I'm gonna spread all over the shoe, I'm gonna dry it all off, come back to you how the finishing product looked. How's that sound? Without further ado, boys, shoe's done, looks dope, cameraman's gone. Now before I show you what the shoe looks like, we gotta discuss this whole cameraman situation for a second. So we're gonna turn this into a chill with NameBran. Alright, man, so if you guys don't know, Chill with NameBran is, you know, at the end of the video we kind of discuss things to inevitably get it to 10 minutes. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I like to chill with y'all without acting a fool on camera, talk the talk, while getting the video to 10 minutes so I get more money. You guys can view if you want to, video's done, whatever, but I gotta talk about this cameraman, man. So, anyway, this is also uncut, uncircumcised for my editing pleasure, your viewing pleasure, whatever I say has to stay in the video. So, first off, I'll show you the shoe. The shoe looks dope. As you guys can see, it's got the little hint of blue underneath it. I'm also in the shed right now because this is where I've always been doing Chill with NameBran, and I think it's fun. But that's how it looks. I think it looks really dope. And I'm really stoked to do more sneaker customs or just like weird videos that I used to do, just destroying stuff. Next time I'm gonna get a real pair because it pisses people off more and I think it's funny. You guys let me know with a thumbs up and comment down below if you like that. But anyway, this cameraman thing, as you guys know, or probably see, I haven't even edited this yet, but I was really rushing the video because this cameraman that I hired was completely weird. And I loved it. It was hilarious. That's why I'm laughing between each scene. I couldn't deal with it. The dude doesn't want to be seen nor talked to on camera, fine. But he was so weird that it gave me a really funny, a good experience, honestly, doing this video. So you guys let me know. I honestly, my friends were actually busy. I couldn't have gotten a friend for today. But I could have probably gotten somebody better, but I thought it'd be really funny to just hire somebody online, meet them real quick, and then shoot a video and get their reaction and play off that, because I do things for comedic reasons, and I thought that was hilarious. So I guess you guys, I'm kind of laughing at nothing. I guess you guys didn't really see how he acted, but I thought it was really funny. So if you want Masked Man, or well, I gotta come up with a name for him. I know his name. He doesn't even want his name to be out there, but if you want him to come back, let me know. And I kind of want to goof with this guy a little bit more because he was kind of like, he was cool with what we were doing. I was paying him, it's whatever, but like he was just like kind of like, really? Like, this is what we're doing? And I love that attitude. I thought that was hilarious because that amps me up to want to do it more and weirder and be weirder, you know what I mean? So, God, was he weird though. So anyway, but yes, going back to it though, like you guys have seen this, please let me know if you do want me to do more of these customs, because I really want to come back to things like this, man. If I gotta customize a TV by smashing it in the face, I'd love to. Also, another thing I wanted to bring up, I didn't think I'd have to bring this up on Chilling with NameBran, and I actually didn't think I'd have to do a Chilling with NameBran today because I thought this video would reach 10 minutes. But I kind of wanted to get him out of the house as soon as possible because it's kind of weird. Another thing I wanted to bring up is the Lil Tecca video that we did. You know, I did a review on his website. Apparently it's not his website, it's somebody fake. I bought items from somebody else's website. Lil Tecca actually responded to that. In not so nice of a way. It was actually kind of, I don't want to use a retard, like the R word, but it was kind of like, it was kind of a retarded way of coming back and responding to me. So he responded to that video to me, hit me up, and if you guys want a video on that, I'd like to do it. There's, you know, he didn't send too much, but I thought it was really funny, and I'd like to do a video on it, because the sole reason is because I was like hating on him on that video, which I'm not hating on him, dude. I love if you're gonna like put the work in and get it done and make dope music for people. That's sick. I just don't like his music, and I said that in the video, but like, I have got nothing against him, I just don't like the music. Like, I think the music's, sorry, I think the music's sick. This is exactly what I said in the video. Music's sick, I don't like him doing it. I don't think he's the sound that I like. Apparently other people like him dope, but yeah, he hit us up with a response, so I might do a video on that if we get enough thumbs up down below. If not, I don't have to. It obviously just be a clout video, you know what I mean, putting his name in another title. And I don't like drama, but his response was idiotic. He might be 6. So anyway, I don't know if we have enough for chilling with NameBran right now. I don't think we do, so I'm just gonna keep talking. Once again, boys, I just talk to y'all uncut. You know, I try to get to 10 minutes because that's the only time, if I'm not demona on YouTube. I can't say that word or else they'll actually do it to me. Turning the green money sign into a yellow money sign is what I'm saying if you put up YouTube videos. Yeah, if I don't do this, I get, like, not enough money. I want more. And 10 minutes gives you more. Guess what, guys? I'm straight up, and that's it. You know what I mean? I don't care. Everyone wants more money, so I'm gonna say it. Shoot, what else do I have to say? I don't have much to say. Oh, big news. I think this is big. And I don't think I'm gonna do it, but I might. I brought up in the video earlier about the sneaker con and why I quit doing it. Now, a lot of my newer viewers, and I'm only talking to my older ones that followed videos like this before, and I assume I still have a bunch of you. I think I lost a bunch of you because I started to do a different realm on YouTube. A lot of people ask why I quit going to sneaker con. And if you guys don't know, it's the thing that I was touring with. It's a convention that goes all around the world to hire YouTubers to come and, well, hire YouTubers to come and, you know, bring in people, you know, you sell merch, whatever, converse with your fans. It's really dope, and it's a good experience, good opportunity for us to go do that, and I appreciate them for letting us, you know, come and have our thing there, you know what I mean? I was doing customs on stage just like this one, like for people. It was really dope. There are some reasons of why I quit, and people ask me why I quit, and this is once again for the people that were watching for a long time. I got some reasons that I don't want to expose. No, I don't think I want to do that video. I was gonna say thumbs up if you want to see that video, but I don't want to do actual drama videos. Never mind. Quit what I'm saying. Hopefully I got this 10 minutes by blabbling though. So anyway, I appreciate y'all for watching, making the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Wow.